How to add payout method on stocks. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add payout method on stocks. So let's go right into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have a stocks account created already. Now, once you've created your stocks account, just log in. Okay, once you're logged in, you brought to your own page automatically. And this is what your own page looks like. Okay, where you see different kind of products that can be gotten, sneakers and the likes. And then by the top part of the screen, you can see different categories. This is to filter your search, and then you can just input your search in the search box. And then for you to be able to add a payout method, just go to the left side of the screen and then you click on the profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, the page will load and then you'll be redirected to your profile page. On this profile page, you'll be able to edit your profile information, such as your name, shoe size, etc. And then move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying selling, favorite, portfolio, etc. Ensure you locate the wallet option and then you click on it. Now, once you click on it, the page should also load and then you'll be directed to the payout page where you can set up your buyer info, your seller's info, as well as your payout info. Now, for you to be able to set your payout info, you have to ensure that you set up your seller's info. Okay, so now this is the requirement. As you can see, you must enter seller's info before you set up a payout info. So you just click on edit on the seller's info space and they will be directed to the page where you have to provide a billing info, and then you have to ensure that you enter the address associated with the card that you want to add or with the accounts that you want to add. So after you've entered your name, default address etc, click on next and then you'll be directed to the page where you'll be asked to input your card details, or you'll be asked to select any account such as PayPal etc. Select it and then save it. Then once you saved it, go back to your wallet page where you now be able to edit your payout info. Click on it and from here you can now add a payout method of your choice. It is that simple and direct. So go ahead and add that payout method today. Thanks for watching.